exercise 3.5. Question number 7. F of x is equal to this. And remember that first we apply power rule in the question in which there is a power, then the derivative of the function. And if the function is trigonometric function, then derivative of trigonometric function, and next step will be derivative of angle. For this question, simply applied the power rule. 37 comes as it is, then 37 minus 1, and then we have to find derivative of a function, and function is x cube plus 2x. Then the derivative of x cube will be 3 as it is, again power rule, and then x square, and derivative of 2x will be 2 as it is, and derivative of x, that is 1. I have written the denominator in a form of power, and that I have written minus 3. Now applying the power rule, minus 3 as it is, then reducing power by 1, and then I have calculated derivative of the function. The function here is 3x square minus 2x plus 1, so its derivative 3 as it is, then derivative of x square will be 2x, then minus 2 as it is, and derivative of x will be 1, and derivative of this one, as 1 is constant, this is equal to 0. Again applied the same, putting this x in a form of x raised to power minus 1, then applying the power rule on this whole function, minus 2 as it is, then reducing power by minus 1, then derivative of the function, and the function here is this one. Derivative of x cube is 3x square minus 7 as it is, then the derivative of x raised to power minus 1 as it is, then reducing power by 1, and this is the simplified form of this question. I have written this question in a form of powers. 4 plus under root 3x, 3x 1 by 2, then whole power 1 by 2. As the power is given on whole of a function, so first we use this power for applying the power rule, reducing power by 1, then taking the derivative of the function, and the function is this one. Derivative 4 will be 0. For finding derivative of this quantity, we have applied the power rule on this function, that is 1 by 2 as it is, reducing power by 1, and then derivative of the function. तो फंक्शन यहाँ पे हमारे पास 3x है, तो उसका डेरिवेटिव हमारे पास 3 बन गया. Then the simplification is up to you. फिर उसके बाद ये 15th question, sin x cube. Remember one thing, that sin cube x can be written as sin x whole cube, but sin x cube is not equal to sin of x whole cube. ये यहाँ पे आपने याद रखना है. So we cannot start this question by power rule because power is not on a trigonometric function. Sin x पे power नहीं है. So simply derivative of trigonometric function, तो derivative function sin है, derivative of sin will be cos, then x cube as it is, और फिर derivative of angle, angle यहाँ पे x cube है, तो derivative of x cube will be 3x square. साइन पे पावर नहीं है इसलिए हम इसको पावर रूल से स्टार्ट नहीं कर रहे. सिंपली क्या होगा, साइन का डेरिवेटिव आप लेंगे कॉस, और फिर आगे जो एंगल है एक्स क्यूब, उसका डेरिवेटिव 3x स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. यहाँ पे देखें कॉस के ऊपर पावर है, so this power can be written on the whole of a function as I have written here. Now the power is given on whole of the function, so will start the question by applying power rule, reducing power by 1, then derivative of the function. यहाँ पे डेरिवेटिव ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन का, कॉस का डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन जो कि ये है, साथ एंगल इसी तरह आ गया, और फिर एंगल का डेरिवेटिव जब आप लोगे 3 एज इट इज़, एक्स रेज टू पावर 1 बाई 2 है, फिर यहाँ पे एक्स पावर 1 बाई 2 के लिए पावर रूल 1 बाई 2 इसी तरह आ गया. उसके बाद इस पे आपने एक पावर रिड्यूस कर दी, और फिर एक्स का डेरिवेटिव जो कि 1 है वो उसी तरह हम लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. फिर इसकी ये जस्ट सिंप्लीफिकेशन है. अगर आप इसको देखना चाहें सिंप्लीफिकेशन को तो आप देख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें 1 over x square can be written as x raised to power minus 2. Again this power is not on trigonometric function, this is on angle. So we will start the question according to this, and here the power is 1. So derivative of sine is cos, angle comes as it is, then derivative of angle, applying power rule, then reducing power by 1, and then derivative of x, that will be 1, and then x raised to power 1 by 2 has been written as 1 over x square, and then the other factors as it is. Tan रेज टू पावर 4. अब इसको हम लोग होल पे लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज द पावर इज ऑन द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. तो इस पावर को मैंने ऑन द होल ऑफ अ फंक्शन लिख लिया. देन अप्लाइंग द पावर रूल, reducing power by 1, 4 minus 1 equals to 3. then derivative of trigonometric function. अब यहाँ पे trigonometric function tan है. derivative of tan is secant square x cube as it is, जो कि एंगल है. then derivative of angle, x क्यूब का डेरिवेटिव आपके पास 3x स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. then we have question number 22. again power is given on the trigonometric function. पावर ये है, इसको मैंने होल पे लिख लिया. then applying the power rule, 3 minus 1 that is 2. फिर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन जो कि कॉस है, कॉस का डेरिवेटिव आ गया माइनस साइन, ये साथ एंगल है, ये एज इट इज़ आ गया. फिर किसका आएगा, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एंगल. ये मैंने डेरिवेटिव लेना है अभी इसका, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एंगल. अब एंगल क्या है, x ओवर x प्लस 1. दिस इज अ रैशनल फंक्शन, सो वी यूज द क्वोशिएंट रूल फॉर फाइंडिंग इट्स डेरिवेटिव. ये वाली टर्म्स जो पहले लिखी हुई थी वो उसी तरह मैंने यहाँ तक लिख दी. अब मैं इसका डेरिवेटिव ले रहा हूँ, स्क्वायर ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर, denominator as it is, then derivative of numerator, derivative of x will be 1 minus x as it is, then derivative of the denominator, derivative of x will be 1 and derivative of 1 will be 0, and then the simplification is just this much.